Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for Coolin with Jay as always. So this is a revision video to my previous video, which I will link up in the corner now, of the audio fix problems for the GoPro Hero 5, 6, and now 7. I'm going to go over pretty much how to fix, guaranteed 100% fix for all your audio issues you are having. For those of you who don't know, I own a Ducati V4, and this is my Shoei RF 1200 that I use to moto vlog on. And of course, obviously, with that being said, of course, you need a GoPro, the mount, all of that. For those of you who are curious about the mount and how I got this to work, this is a DIY mount for my GoPro. I will also link that video up in the description as well. So basically, I have finally fixed the issue for using, because you have to use the 3.5 audio adapter to get audio. Okay, there's a whole bunch of videos out there about what's the best audio setup to use with this, but what they don't talk about is, well, if you are using this but you're vlogging on a helmet, how does that work? Now, as you can see here before, I have this guy right here. So this is where I mount. See, so what I have done to mine is I have scratched out the back and then added double-sided 3M tape. So it just pops on like this. And see, that's how I get mine. But anyway, so obviously you have your 3.5. I have a GoPro Hero 6 Black. And this is what I bought from before. This is the U mic. So basically, obviously, how I typically do it is this, okay? This is how I normally have my GoPro setup. And we'll mount something like this. Boom, this goes something like this. And then of course you plug this in here. And then I run my audio from here into that. Now obviously this is not the best looking thing on the market, right? So there is first a fix for the audio issue if you are having any. So this is for if you even blog or anything. This will 100% fix the issue you're having. So in short, basically the issue you're having is the type of lavalier mic that you are using. That is the issue. So I will put up on the screen now, there are 3 different types of these prongs. I get that on the thing. There are 3 different types of these, okay? So as you can see here, I will demonstrate now. You see, you have these 2. See, one has 3 black lines going down it, and one has 2. Okay, and I will put a picture up now. So basically, there's the TS, which is just 1 prong. You have the TRS, which is this guy right here. And what you typically see on, like, when you get a pair of headphones or whatever, is 3 prongs, which is a TRRS, okay? A TRRS will not work on this guy, okay? It will not. If you plug in a TRRS, which is three lines going across it, it will not work. So I will demonstrate that now so y'all can see that I'm telling the truth. So this, of course, GoPro, obviously. I have not plugged this in. Oh, FYI, guys, if you're trying to fix your issue, do not, under any circumstances, plug in this 3.5 millimeter into the computer. It will fry it. It's done. You have to buy a new one. Just so you know, FYI. So I will basically, see, brand new in wrapper. Hasn't even been opened yet. I'm using this because it's one inside the box. So if you notice, this guy has 3 prongs. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it into this. I'm going to press record. Testing, 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 testing. So then I'm going to unplug it. And go over to what I just did. See? Nothing. See? No audio. All right, guys. So that didn't work, obviously. So here I have here is a brand new lav mic. Okay. And this guy has, as you can see, 2 prongs. So same concept. Plug this guy. Plug that in here. Testing, 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 testing. Okay, so unplug this guy now. Testing, 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 testing. And play that again just so you can hear it. Testing, 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 testing. So, as you can clearly hear, that it is the mic. So again, just so everybody sees that, I will do it again. So, 2 mics, okay? Plug this guy in. Oops. So I'll go back, pop open this guy. All right, so let's do this. Testing, 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 testing. And look, guys, I'll even put my mic. So this is my mic you're hearing. See, hear my sound. So you think I'm not playing. Nothing at all. And like I said, that's with this mic here. If I unplug it, you guys can see that. 3. Now I'll go back to this guy, which is 2. Plug it in. Go back. Shoot. Testing, 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 testing. All right, so I'll go over. As you can see, on here there's 2. I'll play it. Testing, 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 testing. Again. Testing, 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 testing. So, as you can clearly see, guys, like I said, this is the issue, is the microphone. Sorry, it's the lavalier mic. So you have to have a TRS, which is the official terminology for this, and not a TRRS, okay? So TRS is 2 and prong. TRRS is 3. So 2, 3. So I hope that helps, man. Like, I hope that helps y'all with the audio issues y'all had. Like I said, since I've started the vlogging and started this whole camera and all this kind of stuff, this has been the biggest issue. So GoPro out there, if you're listening, either make a patch, update for it or something, or even just put in the notes like, hey guys, this is the actual microphone. Like, why do we as consumers have to figure out y'all's product? So the reason why I bought this guy, which is the U mic before, is because it came with this guy right here. So this guy is a TRRS to TRS adapter. So basically this is what I bought, and it came with this in the set. So in the box, you get this guy, you get this, and you get this. So also in the box, this is all you get. So I have 2 of these now because I broke one, because one bent on my bike. But basically, this is all you get in the box, okay? So you get the adapter, your lavalier mic, a red noise and of course the clip. So that's everything you get. Like I said before, this was the best option I had before. That's why I did, or I'm doing, a revision on this, because I realized or found out that if I just get one of these, this will replace all of this. So basically what this is categorized under, because some sites don't really list this as a TRS, they list it as a phone lavalier mic, which is weird. Because the one on your headphones, like when you plug in headphones, it's 3 prongs, not 2. But for this, these categorized like on Amazon under headphone lavalier mics. So, and again, down below, I will list the description of the one that I bought. This one is more of a flat head. It's more flat, as you can see here. So this is going to go into my new helmet I'm getting soon to replace it. Because obviously, as you can see here, like I said before, this is the one out of my helmet now, which is of course the wrong one, because I was using, like I said before, this whole adapter setup, which was messy and clunky. So that will be fixed, and that new mic will go in, and I should have no more audio issues ever again. Again, GoPro, if you're out there, man, please fix this. Like, really, this on a helmet, I mean, we have to do it. So the other option is to get a GoPro Hero 4 below, guys. So if you have a 5, 6, or 7 and you want good audio, obviously you do, and plug in a mic into your helmet, you need this guy. And with that, you need a phone kind of lavalier mic that has a TRS tip to it. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you for Coolin with Jay, and I will see y'all in the next tech video.